Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your microwave with just hot water and vinegar. So you're going to add in a container like this or in a smaller container, you're going to add 1 cup of water, hot water, and 1 cup of vinegar. Just that's it. So it's already out of there. So like you could see, yeah, it's pretty bad. I had to leave it like this so I could make this. Oops, sorry. You're gonna put it in there and you're gonna do 10 minutes. So let's see how true it is. I will be back and show you the results. Okay, so far we still have 4 more minutes to go. So we can't see much, but let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see. So let's remove this carefully. Hopefully I'm able to do it without holding this phone. Okay. So let's see. Oh wow. Look. You just have to wipe it out. Nice. So, your house or your kitchen area is going to smell just like vinegar, but hey, you're getting something clean. And remember, vinegar does kill bacteria, so this will be a great thing, especially if you heat up your kids' food and stuff in here. I'm amazed. This is nice. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. It is clean. Don't mind that. I think that's burnt. But it's clean. So there you go, guys. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar. Put it in your microwave. 10 minutes. Let it sit there. And when the microwave is done, you open it with a rag. You come and you just swipe it. Clean it. Wow. Alrighty guys, I hope you get to use this method in your house. So just like it, share it, comment on it. I will see you soon guys. Bye bye.